Hey, what's going on guys? Derek Peachy here, right back with a brand new video. I hope you guys are all having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome to the next part of the iMac G3 gaming PC build. Now, I did create a part 1 for this, this whole kind of build series, but for some reason, something went wrong with the formatting on part 1 of this series, and I don't know, for some reason YouTube wouldn't let me upload it. It kept coming up with some weird error when it was processing. So unfortunately part 1 is not going to be available for you guys, but here's part 2, which I guess is technically going to be part 1. So yeah, I'll show you guys where we are in the gaming PC process and just continue from there. So as you can see here, we got the entire iMac G3 taken apart, completely ripped down, as well as the PC that we are going to be putting in here. So about the PC that we are going to be building out of this iMac, it's going to have a quad-core i5 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, full desktop GPU, I haven't decided which one yet, and 500 gigabyte SSD. Now, I wanted to build a desktop inside this iMac, but unfortunately, for all the parts for that, it would have cost around $1,000, which is insane. So I decided to salvage a laptop. Well, yeah, a laptop. It's a Asus V500C, quad-core i5, 8 gigs of RAM, all the good stuff we need, and then I will show you guys in a later video in the future episodes of how I'm going to attach a desktop GPU to these laptop and make it an insanely powerful gaming PC. So without further ado, let's continue this iMac G3 gaming PC build. So the next step for this build is to actually put the motherboard on this kind of internal platform here. I don't know what you would call it, but this kind of internal piece. So we're gonna have to probably drill some holes and to attach the motherboard. But before we do that, I'm going to actually grab the motherboard here and see how I want to fit it. So this is the SSD, where the SSD would plug in right over here. So I'm thinking, because we want to attach a graphics card to this, I have to save some room for that. So I'm thinking something like this. So the SSD would kind of sit here. Actually, let me grab the SSD and actually plug it in. Okay, so that looks like it might fit. And then we could kind of have the I/O going out the back. We got Ethernet, USB 3.0, HDMI out the back. So yeah, that looks like it could fit, and then the GPU could probably sit kind of over here in this area. That looks good. That looks really good. Okay, I need to be careful with this stuff. Make sure I don't break anything. Also, I want to salvage the original laptop speakers because they sound really good, and possibly replace them. Replace these with those. Okay, so actually now I need the motherboard back. I'm going to start drilling the holes for this. Let's see here. So there is quite a few standoffs kind of like in the way. So I think what I'm actually going to do is actually drill down these, get rid of these standoffs, and then I'm going to kind of drill out and prepare for my own standoffs.
Tell
now we have the standoffs in place so far. Let's hope this this fits the motherboard actually. Okay, the two on the bottom fit. They line up well. It's hard to kind of align it when you don't have like an I/O shield or anything on the back to kind of guide you. Alright, so I think everything fits pretty decently well. I think we need another standoff on that side. So yeah. So we now have the motherboard mounted and it's nice and secure, so time to put the rest of the parts in and start reassembling the PC. So we got the battery connected. Now let's plug in the power. Any signs of life? Yes, actually, there is a little charge light. I don't know if you guys, you probably can't see that on camera, but there is a light for like the charging light that the battery is charging. So that means there is power going to the motherboard. So I guess I'll just have to figure out how to actually like turn the thing on. And oh my goodness, that is so exciting. Wow, that is so cool. So that is where we are on the iMac G3 gaming PC build. I'm super excited, guys. We actually have power running through the motherboard. The battery's charging up. I'm not actually going to use the battery, but it's exciting to see that there is actually stuff going on. The motherboard is actually working. And yeah, this is extremely exciting, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys like this iMac G3 gaming PC build, make sure to leave a like on this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, link down in the description below, as well as check out my website for awesome products like refurbished computers, custom built PCs, stuff like that. Make sure to go check it out, also in the link in the description below. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.